everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I've brought you something crazy and new and fun, and you're gonna love it. I have this makeup look here. And it's really nice for hazel eyes. I feel like it brings out my eyes really nicely. So if you have hazel eyes, try this look out. It is like more green eyeshadows that I never use. And we've got a more nudie peach lipstick that, you know, I never really use. I kind of do the same thing over and over, and I've struggled with getting in the same habit of doing makeup exactly the same way when I find a look that I love. So yeah, hope you enjoy this makeup look here. Love you all. Let's go. I got the Huda Beauty foundation again. I love it. So the only problem, if you guys watched my foundation review on this, is it's beautiful on the skin. It's so beautiful. But if you have like any like blemishes that you're trying to cover, it's not good with that. So I would say make sure that like if you have a lot of like texture on your skin, not to go for this one, but if your skin's like doing nice, it's not misbehaving, then I would definitely pick this up. It's so good. And like I say in all my videos, my body's darker, so I know it looks like it's the wrong color, but it's not. It is a little bit more yellow toned than I would like, but it looks fine when all my makeup is done. This honestly looks crazy. It looks too dark, but whatever. We're gonna work with it. What is this? You see this? So, now that I look like Kermit the Frog, I'm gonna continue my makeup to try to look better than that. Concealer over the eyes. And of course, this is the Tarte Shape Tape. You can see it. I don't know how I feel about listing all of the products below and like links to their websites, because like I feel like if I just tell you guys what I'm using, then you can just like type it into Google super easy, and it takes me forever to like list like the 20+ products that I use on my face in the description box. So if you guys really want that, let me know. But if not, I'm just gonna continue to list them without links or just tell you what I'm using. So if there's something I forget to tell you guys, let me know if you wanna know what it is. So we're going in with the Revolution powder. Nothing has changed here. Try not to get it on your clothes, but you know, I seem to always fail at that. And yeah, I'm just using the Chocolate Soleil original bronzer as my transition shade before I go in with the olive green colors. You know what? I forgot to do my brows. I think I'm gonna like stop right here and do my brows. Go in with this brush, and I'm going to use the shade Destiny right there. And I don't know, I think I'm just gonna go by instinct on what I do. I think I'm just gonna like kind of put it in my outer V too, but like not in my outer V. I don't know, we'll see what happens. And I think I'm just gonna like pat it on so I don't like move it in an area that I don't want. So I'm just gonna pat it in the outer V. And like sometimes it helps if you like raise your eyebrow up. Same thing. So this is pretty harsh right now. I'm just gonna soften up the edges a little bit. But the trick is to not go crazy with it. You just want to push it around slightly, because if you go all crazy, it's gonna like bring darkness to too much of your eyelid. I always call my lower lash line my lower lid, and I only find that out when I'm editing the video and I'm like, you idiot. You like don't really think of all these names on the spot. It's kind of difficult sometimes. I'm gonna go in the same spot with this color right here and do the same motion again. This is kind of fun. I never really like just sit here and play with my makeup anymore, because I'm always like in a rush, or like I wait till the last minute to start getting ready if we're going somewhere. What's cool too is like, it's not really looking that crazy. I was like scared it was gonna look like crazy on my eyes, but it really doesn't. Like olive green is like a really nice color to play with if you want to do something besides like browns. I need a little bit more of the transition shade, the bronzer, so I'm gonna add a little bit more of that. Because we want to experiment and have a little bit of fun, I am going to, I'm so scared about this part, you guys. I'm gonna take my finger in this and I'm gonna put it on the light areas of my makeup. I never do this, so it might turn out horrible. I feel like it's slightly more of like a blue shade than I was looking for. So, I mean, I'm just gonna have to stick with it, but it looked more, doesn't it look more like olive, like hunter green, and then on my finger it looks more like turquoise? Maybe it's the lighting, I don't know. So since it is a little bit more turquoise, I think I might, what do I want to do now? I'm gonna go on top of it with this color right here. And that's kind of pretty actually, that kind of helps. I actually like that better. That's really pretty. Okay. Cool. Then I think I'm gonna go in with this smaller precise brush here and go into, I just want to play with a lot of colors today, so sorry if I'm making this confusing. Oops. But I'm gonna go in with Untamed in my outer V as well, just to darken it up a little. I'm really liking this actually. Move here. Puff it out. Slightly, I'm not moving it around, I'm kind of just pushing it into the skin so it blends out on the edges, but I don't really want to create I don't want any of the product to like get removed from where it is. Need to have winged eyeliner no matter what. So I know some people will just like do eyeshadow like this, and if it's dark enough, they'll just put mascara and their eyelashes on, but I need eyeliner. I need it. So I'm sorry. It might mess up the eyeshadow, but whatever. Okay, that's gonna be good for now. Eyelash time. Oh my god, where did I lose my eyelashes, honestly? So I guess that whole thing was not recording. You know, I always thought, like, how do you let this happen? When I hear YouTubers say that, how do you let this happen where you don't know it's recording? Okay, the only thing I've really done, I guess, is put my eyelashes on, so there we go. Since the Too Faced one's a lot more cool toned, I'm gonna go in with a warmer toned bronzer from NYX here. You guys notice I never do blush? I don't know, blush every once in a while I get in the mood for, and then I just don't think it's necessary. I don't want to add pink to my cheeks. I already feel like they're big enough. I need to contour the nose. I can't decide which one I like better, so I'm just gonna mix both of the bronzers I used, the NYX one and the other one, the chocolate Soleil. With the baking powder by Revolution, banana shade. Then I'm just gonna leave that there as we go back and do the lower lid. The lower lid, see, I always call it lower lid. There's no lower lid, that would be the weirdest thing ever. It's a lower lash line. I'm just gonna do the darker colors I did on my upper lid. Why do I have such a hard time with this? I'm gonna do the dark colors I did on my eyelid in the very, very outer corners, and then I'm gonna do the sparkles like from the halfway point to the inner. I think I am going to add black liner in the outer corner. So I'm just taking a black Kohl Liner in the very outer portion. So I'm gonna go in with Golden Flower Crown by Wet n Wild. So, going with my stripped down lip liner. For some reason I kind of like to go like this when I line my lips, because like it makes them, like when you're smiling, it makes them kind of like bigger than they are. So when you line it that way, it kind of helps line your lips. So I might look weird, but it helps. Kind of like this as is, to be honest with you. I do this sometimes if I really like the color of a lip liner, but it can dry me out. So then I go in with a clear lip gloss. So that should be in my purse. So this stuff's really sticky and I don't really like my lips to look glossy. I like them more matte. So I really like wipe this off and then just do like a couple dots take my hair down. I did my hair like a couple days ago and I don't wash it every day, and you know, I keep like not doing videos because I'm like, oh, my hair's not good today. Oh, like this, and like, no, I'm not gonna be perfect. Like if I waited till I looked like, not like, if I waited till I had like every single step done in how I wanted to look nice, like from start to finish, like tan, nails, no pimples, hair done, perfect, just washed, like that would be like once a month. So I'm like just kind of getting over it, and whenever I do my makeup, I kind of just want to sit down here and have fun with it. I really like the way it turned out actually. So I really love this highlight. The lip color is really pretty. Thank you so much for watching this video. I really enjoyed playing with makeup and going out of my comfort zone a little bit. Yeah, so let me know if you try this at home too. I use a lot of the same palettes over and over because I haven't been buying a lot of new makeup lately. So if you have the same thing as me, you can totally try these looks out. Yeah, I also have my social media links below if you want to follow me on other platforms. That would be fun. And yeah, thank you again. I love y'all. Bye.